The term life insurance policy you own is your personal property, just like your car or home, and you may be able to sell it and receive a lump sum of cash, also known as a life settlement. Why might you want to sell your term life policy? Perhaps your kids are grown and you no longer need your policy. Maybe you're faced with long-term care or medical expenses you need help paying, or would just like more money now or in the future for retirement. Whatever your reason may be, consider a life settlement. Life settlements are straightforward transactions where a third-party investor buys your term life insurance policy. And life settlements are regulated to provide you with the protection you need and deserve. What determines the value of your term life policy in a life settlement? Several factors, including your age. Age 65 or above is preferable. Health. Poor health can increase your potential payout. The policy's face amount. $100,000 minimum is preferred by buyers. And convertibility. While some non-convertible term policies can qualify, most term policies sold through life settlements must be convertible into permanent policies. The process of selling your policy takes a small investment of your time and a little guidance from a trusted life settlement provider. Following these steps will make selling your term life insurance policy a painless process. Research and gather information. Talking with a life settlement expert from a company specializing in life settlements will be educational and give you confidence to decide if a life settlement is right for you. Engage a life settlement provider. The life settlement provider will be with you through every step of the process, from preparing your paperwork all the way through to completing the transaction. Submit your application and any necessary documents. Your paperwork is confidential and will only be used to determine your eligibility and secure an offer for your policy. Receive an offer. Your life settlement provider will help you evaluate the offer so you make a decision that is in your best interests. Finally, accept the offer and complete the transaction. You can typically expect to receive your cash settlement within 45 to 60 days. There are several ways you can benefit from selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement. You'll have immediate access to cash for whatever you want to use it for. You'll get a higher payout than surrendering your policy to the insurance company. You won't have to make any more premium payments. You'll have complete flexibility and control over the funds you receive. You'll have the opportunity to improve your and your loved one's quality of life. These are all excellent reasons to consider a life settlement. Like all financial transactions, before proceeding with the sale of your life insurance policy, there are several items to consider with a life settlement, such as the impact on your beneficiaries. If you sell your policy, your beneficiaries won't receive a death benefit payout when you pass away. Possible tax ramifications. In some cases, a portion of the proceeds you receive can be taxable. It's recommended that you consult your tax advisor for assistance. And your future insurance needs. Could you or your loved ones possibly need your policy's death benefit at a future date? Lastly, consider alternatives to a life settlement before selling your policy. If you need immediate cash and your whole life or universal life policy has accumulated cash value, consider taking a policy loan to provide immediate cash. Some policies also have what is called an accelerated death benefit, which pays you a portion of your policy's death benefit while you're still living. You also may be able to convert your term life policy to a permanent life insurance policy, like whole life or universal life. This can increase the value of your term policy with a life settlement. The key points of what we've talked about. You have the right to sell your personal property, including your life insurance policy. There may be third-party investors interested in paying you cash for your policy. A life settlement provider can secure offers from potential buyers. Selling your policy can provide you with immediate cash to use as you wish. Consider your alternatives before selling your term life insurance policy. Don't let your life insurance policy lapse without value or surrender it to the insurance company for less than you might receive from a life settlement. Contact the life settlement experts at Lighthouse Life today to explore your potential payout.